I mean, I think that Macy's numbers certainly deserve to be punished in the market, but I think many of the others are an overreaction. The expectations were lofty for names like Target and Kohl's, and I think they've performed. I mean, investors are concerned that the earnings flow through isn't what they wanted to see, but I think that the sales numbers are actually quite strong. The consumer's in good shape, and there are some real losers, Macy's being one of them.
Yeah.
But for the most part, the results look pretty decent.
Liz, what is going on at the shopping malls? I was just reminded by that bizarre Starbucks story that a couple of years ago they flagged the issue of declining mall traffic as one reason they were looking for other avenues for growth. So, if it's true that the mall, first of all, would you agree that the mall's in a state of decline, or is it just that not enough malls have been refurbished for today's shopper, or what's going on?
I think it's both and. So I think that the malls have not been refurbished and they haven't been reimagined for today's shoppers, and with an exception. I mean, obviously the A malls are quite good, but many of the malls haven't been touched and they haven't been reimagined, and therefore traffic is declining. I did an analysis the other day, just looking at Macy's stock price and that of many other retailers, and over the long term, all of the mall-based retailers are sort of correlated with Macy's, and all the off-mall retailers have a opposite correlation to Macy's. So they're doing strong. Macy's is doing poorly, and many mall-based retailers are doing poorly.
You know what struck me, Courtney, about Macy's pre-announcement is that Macy's is losing, and it took down its estimates dramatically, and Amazon already warned on the fourth quarter. So it seems like nobody is winning this race to the bottom. And Macy's specifically said gross margins were pressured by shipping costs. It's like they conditioned a whole class of consumers to expect free shipping on everything with the same prices.
That's such a good point, Melissa. I think we've all been wondering for a long time, what is the appropriate balance between the percentage of sales that come online and the percentage that come from the store? And then the second question is, and at what level of profitability? So I think now investors are finally saying, okay, retailers, we gave you a chance to grab your market share, to grab the sales and try to compete with Amazon. We've given you enough time. Now you need to make money from doing so. So strong sales, double-digit sales online are no longer enough. You got to do that profitably.